morning.
Cheers.
Cheers. Love you.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday.
Good morning.
Saturday, October 4th, 2025.
And welcome.
October. It's the second burr month. Yes. It's a little burr out here this morning. I need to put my earplugs in.
Yes. Say what you just said again. It's a little
burr
out here this morning. I have a sweatshirt on.
And I'm ready to take my sweatshirt off.
I will say she has a sweatshirt on. However, it is cold this morning. She's Lori's wearing a thong. Actually, she's wearing two thongs.
I would have to. Yeah.
Stop it.
Okay, did y'all come here this morning for that?
Okay, who still calls flip-flops thongs?
That's what I grew up calling
Me
them,
too.
thongs. And the other,
let us know.
The other thong, that's just butt floss underwear. I mean, come on. How in the world did that become the word thong? Butt floss, that's all it is. Oh, I gotta put my earplugs in. Hang on.
Oh my goodness.
There's a little bit of a breeze and it's gonna get my ear.
A slight tinge of a breeze.
Well, you know.
I know. She's prone to earaches.
Especially this one.
Prone to
do
earaches.
not want that.
I mean, you know, the problem is it's the slightest breeze gets in there and whirls around because there's all kinds of space in there.
Yep, it's like a tornado in my brain. Get a headache. There you go, a tornado in my brain, in my head.
Go for it.
You're starting off really good this morning. All right, birthdays, anniversaries. We've got just a couple coming up. On Thursday, October 9th, is our dear friend Krista Marie's birthday.
Oh, I love Krista Marie.
She loves you too.
I love her. Krista Marie, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Krista. She's a country singer, yeah. Her husband is a big-time music manager for several big-name acts. And they also have the show The Song.
Yes.
So she hosts that. If you've ever seen The Song, that's Krista.
Yeah.
That hosts it. Then on Friday, happy birthday to Angie Marshall.
Angela, you know the deal.
Does she?
Oh, yes, she does.
Okay, as long as you and Sean got that all figured out.
Yes.
All right. Inside joke, apparently. I don't even know.
Love you, Angela.
Happy birthday. They just went on a cruise, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. All right. Well, last Saturday after we chatted with you, you took the Kia in to go get new tires.
Yep, got her done.
They called us during our video.
Yeah.
And you went jetting on down there in the Kia, and yay, we've got new tires on that. That was scary. You had grounded the Kia once my brother said, "There's cracks in these tires." You went, not driving it anymore. Just the one time down to the tire place.
You know what? I think I got my money's worth out of those tires that had the cracks in them.
Oh, God, when did we get those?
I did check the date on them as they took them off. I thought they were only 5 years old. Only. They were going on 8.
Wow, has it been 8 years?
It's 7 years, but the date on them would have been 8 years.
Yeah, because didn't we get them when Mom was still living up at the house?
I don't know when we got them, but it was 8 years.
And she's been gone from there for 6 years.
Part of the problem with it is they're going to age out because we don't drive that vehicle that much anymore. You know, we drive it in the summer here, and
Wendy and Kevin drive it a little bit in the winter.
Very, very little in the winter time, so they'll age out again. But hey, it's got new tires now. I feel safe having her drive it.
Me drive it, and Wendy and Kevin in the winter
Exactly.
too.
Exactly.
So,
I didn't want old tires on there for those guys.
Yeah, the tread looked fine. It was just cracks.
Yeah, they're aged out.
It's
I know that feeling.
Nevada dryness too.
I'm aging out too.
Yeah, whatever. And while you were gone, I just did some stuff around the house. On Sunday, it was the last baseball game.
Thank goodness.
Of the season.
Oh.
For the Cardinals, anymore. And then we just had a relaxed day the rest of the day.
We did.
We just kind of chilled. It was like, okay, now what do we do? We don't have baseball anymore. Monday and Tuesday were kind of work days for both of us. I got some work done. And then we started packing up for our reset day. And you've been having fun with a new program.
Writing
some songs.
A new platform, and I'm writing some lyrics and some songs, and you know, I want to thank Cowboy Biker Adventures, Don, for turning me on to Suno And,
yeah, you're having fun with that.
I'm having a blast. I like writing lyrics to songs and things like that. So you may hear a bunch of those in the future.
Yeah, if you watched our 10-year anniversary show, you had a couple in that one, right?
The live, yes, we
Yep.
did.
Yeah. And then Wednesday we had reset day. That's our last reset day for the summer here. We'll have one more. Well, it'll be an actual travel day.
That was it.
Yeah, it'll be an actual travel day in the next one.
That was the last one.
Yep. Then Thursday we got to go have lunch with an old friend of ours.
Yes.
Rudy worked for you.
Yep. Rudy Michaels.
And he's one of the main characters. Instrumental in hooking us up. So that's a whole long other story. But we had a wonderful time just chatting with Rudy, enjoying his company. And
got to spend quality time, and that's what it's all about, you know?
Yeah.
Just to sit down and talk and just enjoy each other.
Yeah, not be in a rush, not have a bunch of things going on around us. Because we do see him at our grandson's football games because his cute little daughters are cheerleaders for the same school. So we do get to see him, you know, hi, how you doing?
Yeah, one of those.
See you later, gotta run. But it was really nice to get to spend some time with him. And it was a rainy day, so we just kind of came home. I was in the mood to make some cookies, and so I did that. And then
it's the first time she's baked cookies since springtime.
Too hot to fire up the oven.
Golly.
Sometimes in the summer I will bake something, but I just haven't this summer because I'll use the toaster oven, which doesn't heat up the house.
Yeah.
But also,
if
it's that warm, we usually have the air conditioner on, and I can't use the toaster oven unless I use a power station. Which,
that's true.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Less is more.
So we had a delicious lunch.
Yes, we did.
However. That night.
Oh, we going to talk about this?
Yes. We are, because I want to know what they think. So
let us know in the comments what you think. Okay,
we had the exact same thing. Lunch, we had the exact same thing, except I said I do not want the aioli sauce on my sandwich. He had that sauce on his sandwich.
I guess that makes me an aioli.
Aioli. He had the sauce on his sandwich, and then for dinner we had the exact same thing. It was some chicken soup. And then that night, you were sicker than a dog. Yep, it was,
Yeah, it was bad.
It was bad. And it was like, okay, what happened? We ate the exact same things except for the aioli sauce.
Does that make me an ale?
But anyway, that's what we think got him sick. And then yesterday, you still felt tired and weak, but you had been up all night in the bathroom.
I felt bad.
It was.
I felt bad.
TMI.
I felt so weak.
Everybody gets sick. Okay.
God, I haven't done that since my drinking days, though. I mean, that was bad.
It was bad. It was bad. You'll get heartburn kind of bad every now and then.
That was
this
ridiculous.
was a stomach thing
you
for
think
sure.
There was
Food
something.
poisoning.
Where did we go? BJ's Brew House. If you know what that is.
And the sauce is kind of a mayonnaise-y sauce.
It was a great meal at that time.
Tasted
at
okay.
At that time.
But it's, you know, kind of like a spicy mayonnaise-y kind of sauce.
I was in such pain at one point. She even asked the
H word.
Don't ask the question.
You want to go to the hospital?
I mean, it was that bad.
Well, because it reminded me of how bad I felt, but I didn't throw up or anything.
Yeah.
But you did, and it was like, oh my gosh, and you were in so much pain.
It was like nonstop.
But,
it was horrible.
Yeah, so it wore you out. So yesterday, you just were not feeling good still, but you weren't. It was just you were kind of drained, and you had a headache, and you just felt.
Okay, everybody gets to play doctor in the comments.
Yep.
Let us know what you think.
What do you think it was? Because
it was.
He felt a little better, and he ate okay, and kept everything down.
And today,
yesterday.
Right now, I woke up this morning. I feel 100% Tom normal.
Was it food poisoning? I think we need to call that restaurant and say, of course, it's a couple days later.
Yeah.
That's probably not good. And so we just kind of did a know-nothing kind of day. We just sat, we watched a movie, The Last Starfighter.
Yep.
We love that movie.
1984.
Yep.
Remember that movie?
It was good.
Does anybody remember 1984?
Oh, gosh.
That was a good book too.
Oh boy. All right. So we just kind of relaxed yesterday. It was chilly. You still weren't 100%, so we didn't go to Max's football game last night, which was probably okay.
It was crazy.
It was not a very good game. They got creamed again.
They got stomped.
Yeah. It was the other school's homecoming that they went to, and it was actually our daughter Jolene's alma mater.
That's right.
It was her high school.
Yeah.
We really, really, really thank you for being here, watching our videos, and if you could please subscribe if you haven't yet, and then click the bell to get notified every time we put out a new episode, and also give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and then there's a new thing, it's called hype. So when you go and hit that thumbs up button, thumbs up, it'll slide over and say hype this video.
Hype it.
And then, so hype it.
Hype us.
Click it. And then, I'm really not sure what it does.
I don't know. We want to find out what it does.
I don't know if it like brings you up higher in the notification.
And it's not on every one of our videos. It's on certain videos. I thought it was everything, but it's not. So if you see the word hype, click that for us.
Yeah,
would you please?
Please. Yeah.
We'd appreciate it.
It's new on YouTube.
Hey, real quick, I want to throw this in about Amazon too. We're an Amazon affiliate. There's a link below. If you click that link, it takes you to our storefront on Amazon, but then you can go any place on Amazon you want, and anything you purchase, we get a little kickback. Okay?
That's what commission.
That's what it means being an Amazon affiliate, and we'd appreciate anything you can do.
Yep. This is a
nice
bonfire. So I finally was able to get a new hooded sweatshirt, zip up. I don't like these kind. I get too hot, and I need to just be able to open it up and cool off. But it has this logo on the back, and it has Rich's logo right here. And I love this one. It's light, so it's not real heavyweight.
But yet it's warm.
There are different quality ones, right?
I believe so.
Yeah. So I like the it's got fleece inside, but I like that it's not very heavy.
And by the way, if you watched our 10-year anniversary live show, and you won a t-shirt, sit tight. We have not ordered them yet. We're in the process of getting everybody's address and everything like that. And once we get them ordered, I will email everyone individually and say they've been ordered. It approximately takes this long. And once I get the shipping notice, then I'll let you guys know again when it ships.
And ball caps will be shipped out very soon also. Like you said, we're waiting to get everybody's addresses, and then we want to be able to take them all out together. So last week's question of the week.
Oh, yeah. Question of the week last week was, what if you could tell your 18-year-old self just one piece of advice, what would it be? A lot of people said, I regret this, so I would change, and I would do this differently, or I wouldn't go out with this person. There was a lot of those. and you want to do yours? What would your one piece of advice to your 18-year-old self be?
It would be to not jump into marriage so quickly. Not you.
God, we waited 8 years.
Not you. See, I learned the lesson. But I learned that lesson because of the mistakes I made. So that's kind of what I thought of at first. And then,
all right.
And then yours was?
Mine was, if I could see my 18-year-old self and I had one piece of advice to give that hoodlum, I would say, whatever you do from this point forward, there's a line. It's a crooked line, but there's a line. Walk that line, just like you're in a traffic stop and they're making you walk that line. 1 foot in front of the other. Do not veer left, do not veer right.
Hands at your side.
Hands at your side. You have no regrets, because if you were to move just ever so slightly this way or that way, you'd miss out on this, because it would change everything from that point forward. So I wouldn't change a damn thing. Nothing. Because this is perfect.
Aw, you're so sweet. Yeah, I got to thinking about that later too, and it was like, you know, kind of like on Back to the Future. It's like, don't change anything, because then you change.
Did you interact with your parents today?
You change your outcome, because just that one little tiny thing, you can't mess with the time-space continuum. Right?
That's it, exactly.
Yep. So,
all right, let's do a question of the week.
For this week.
Are you ready? This one's simple. I want you to put in the comments, describe yourself in 3 words. Just 3 words. That's it. All right?
Wow.
We'll let you know our 3 words next
week.
Saturday.
Rudy gave us a good question too, so we may use that one in the future.
Yeah, it's
a really good one.
It was a real good one. I
a
wrote
good
that
one.
down, Rudy.
Good. Yep. Yep. Last Wednesday's What Up Wednesday was a throwback to a video, just a little quickie one.
It was a 6-year-old video
Yeah.
that you did back when we were doing Tuesday Quick Tips. And this one was a little longer than a quick tip, but it was 5 items that Lori uses in the kitchen, in an RV.
It's like my favorite things I
Yeah.
use just about every single day.
If you haven't seen it, go back and watch the What Up Wednesday from last week. This week, holy cow.
We're not really sure. We've got a couple things, and we just need to do some more things to make up a whole video for you guys for What Up Wednesday next week.
One of the things that we have on the video that is possibly coming up Wednesday is you're repairing something that belongs to me that has holes in it. But believe it or not, it's not a shirt and it's not pants.
Everything he has is very anointed. It's very holy. Oh, gosh. Well, I've got some sewing to do.
Okay. Let's get out of here.
All right, everybody. Thank you so much for being here today. See ya.
ya.
Take your banner and raise